Hello everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, what I'll be explaining to you guys is how you can set your LinkedIn account to say open to work. So let's get right into it. LinkedIn is a social media site on which you can communicate with other business people and businesses, whether it be searching for a job, searching for employees, just promoting your business, or just sharing your opinions and experiences on the site. And you can also use it as a resume. However, one way to search for a job is to set your LinkedIn profile to say that you are open to work, and let me show you guys how that is done. First and foremost, that requires editing your account. So just go into your account by either going to me and clicking view profile, or just by going to your account by clicking here. Once you are at your account, for some reason it says open to work even though I disabled it. You want to click on your account picture. As you can see, this one is how it's supposed to look, empty. You want to go into frames, and here you can choose either the original, open to work, or hiring. Since we want to say open to work, just click on that, select it, and click apply. And here you can edit the information of how you are what sort of work you're looking for and how. And you can set if you want recruiters only to see it, or if you want all LinkedIn members to see it, then just click save. And this is what you can do. You can either update your settings on email or whatever the hell, or you can just click no thanks. And now that you've done it, your account will say open to work, and that is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in another video.